Let's hear what the judges think.
This is exciting because we get to use the Viewport visors to be able to see these homes in 3D. Such great technology, isn't it?
First up, Team Rebuild.
I think it's important to have a double garage side by side from a selling point of view. What I really like is the master bed in this because it's at the north side of the block, so you're going to get beautiful light coming through. And the living area at the back is at a good scale, so you can see this home compared to the Renovate is just a larger scale, and I think it's more suitable for family living.
And the Renovate design?
The way that they reinterpreted the materials and kept them on site, all of the bricks that have been removed from that garage, which is now that living area, have been used on the front and created that beautiful hit-and-miss breezeway.
And we've got these rake ceilings that go up to 4.2 metres at their maximum height. So I think the living area here is probably more livable, more functional.
Remember, all of this part of the home here is existing. The kitchen, the plumbing, the electrical, the placement of that part of the home is existing. And this back section here is replaced now with a new office, the master bedroom, that full suite.
This whole back section through here, you can now see how that can literally just be taken out. They can live in this section here, and then as a second stage, they can pop that on at the back later.